Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchenware. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best non-stick frying pan on the market, the 8-inch Pink Nonstick Egg Pan by Innerwell. Pfoa-free and induction compatible, this skillet promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's take a closer look. First impressions matter, and the Innerwell nonstick egg pan doesn't disappoint. As we unbox, we're greeted with a vibrant pink hue that adds a pop of color to any kitchen. But it's not just about aesthetics. This pan is packed with features designed to enhance your cooking. The standout feature here is the ultra non-stick coating. Say goodbye to stubborn residue and hello to effortless food release. Plus, the wood-grain Bakelite handle isn't just stylish. It's ergonomic and stays cool to the touch, ensuring a comfortable grip every time. And let's not forget about the high magnetic conductive base, which heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly for perfect results. Now, let's put this pan to the test. We're going to whip up a quick omelette to showcase its non-stick prowess. With just a splash of oil, our eggs effortlessly glide across the surface of the pan, cooking evenly without any sticking. It's truly a game changer for breakfast enthusiasts. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Innerwell nonstick egg pan, praising its durability, ease of cleaning, and of course, its nonstick capabilities. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, this pan has you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a nonstick frying pan that's as stylish as it is functional, look no further than the Innerwell 8-inch Pink Nonstick Egg Pan. With its PFOA-free coating, ergonomic design, and superior heat distribution, it's a kitchen essential you won't want to live without. That wraps up today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy cooking!